Hey guys, hello everyone, good afternoon to you all from here. Where should I position this so that you see me with my apron? So I'm cooking obolo soup. Meanwhile, this is our fridge. In case you have not watched the video where I'll bust it, you can go and watch it, okay? I will suggest it to this video. Let me show you inside the fridge. It's not as if we have much inside. As if say we don't load them, but my just to show, I understand. Okay, meanwhile, I want to put a bitter leaf for the obolo soup. So I can come and wash them. So this bitter leaf, this one, this one is still pumpkin. Since 2019, like this thing they here. 2019. The only thing wey follow me come abroad wey still remain, I be bitter leaf and the mega growth. You understand? I want to put that for my obolo soup. So this my bitter leaf now is senior my son Emmanuel, but you know senior at that ditch, you know. Now see, I want you to carry some more. Because most times if I don't soak am, if I don't put down one put, you can't be like saying I waste. So make I put up my obolo soup. Meanwhile, my this thing, no, don't be my this thing. Our our washing machine they wash, you can see it. See it wash. Why we put this thing here? Because of children, they operate, so we can't use this thing. Take cover. What we say we dey buy for African shop. Hey, that one na sansana. That one na sand. So more check our soup. I don't put the bitter leaf. More turn up. The bitter leaf. This obolo. When we come since last year still remain. So like say we buy some, then the rest we take am from my husband people farm. You understand? Obolo they don't dey cover am. So guys, let me show you our fridge. Is it, should I call it a fridge tour? A big fridge guinea. This thing my daughter at that ditch she came to put this thing here. Ma. Oh yeah, take. Let me remove it. Take. So let me say we get much inside though. So let me show you. So this is this now bell pepper. This na bell pepper one I used before. Yesterday I used it yesterday. We eat fried rice. So na onions. I don't know. Now here I'm supposed to keep on. Mona let me know whether na here I'm supposed to keep on. So this one is something they used to eat bread. So though we go shopping yesterday, so I never put, and as I not pack everything put for here, but we go shopping. We go shopping yesterday, but I never pack all the drinks put for here. So this one a normal beer. This beer not the bitter like before. But I say this one is more better now. This one puri. This one a lime. In case you don't want lick normal fresh lime, if you take this one. So this one a yogurt, this one a vino. Understand? It they push, you understand, now wine. This one coconut juice. You understand, that coconut water. Okay, more go here. We get pira inside here. This one is it peach? Peach be pira. Peach and pira, no here. So now fruits here carrot. I use for inside for the I use for inside to do the fried rice with the one with fair remain. This one I make with fair remain. So this one I will take to eat bread. Now 2 days here like that. See. So here na water. I not put other water. I mean not to full here na malt. This malt 3 here na beer, so na drink. Pepsi supposed to do. Oh, I never pack things push. I use my station now. So this one na egg. One egg there. This one na normal. No, I thought say we do shopping yesterday, so I never really pack things put like that. Yeah, it's on a let this one at 30 days inside. So see how where we wanna reach. Wanna let us know if we're supposed to hire pass like this. Put that for maid. So wanna tell us. So what's it there? Here na water. There, here na, should I call it concoction? What I put here? I put lime, garlic, and ginger for inside water when I drink. You know, bitter. You know, say you want funny taste like that. No, understand? Depend on how you want and sha. So, well, if you put your only ginger sha. So that is it for this side. So that is it for this side. Not for normal. Assuming say I want form now, can the back things put no. Because of this one I don't buy, one I don't put. So this one are the up freezer. So the freezer ice cream we buy yesterday. We buy 3 types. It almost finish. Maybe this one said this one remain. This one remain one. But buy the other one pistachio. Now that's still finish. This one remain one. This one I don't want the offer open. This one the ice cream the offer open. Pistachio, get on the pistachio. Maybe like this. That one don't finish. This one will remain one. I tried it before, but when I say I like one before. This one potato, sliced potato. This potato don't take for ya. No be we not join to buy yesterday. Don't take. Before now, no side this be eat and well with chicken, but I cannot for the eat time again. Understand? If I eat a guy, they do me, but that my water we get this thing line for inside the so this one a chicken. You understand? Chicken. So one a goat meat there plus this thing with it. So that is all for our tour, our fridge tour. Fridge tour. So if you get anything I know arrange where you want correct me for the comment. If you correct me, sure. Thank you guys. So this is me. It's my apron. Based on say I dey cook for kitchen. Based on say I dey cook for kitchen. Based on say I dey cook for see you cook dey shake na see you cook dey shake na I'm making this video Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon I mean. Hey, since I dey sweat based on say I dey kitchen. Oh my god, now I dey outside. Hope you don't come back. Hope you don't come back. It's not like going inside. But people, I really appreciate you now for the time we spend to watch this video. God will bless you now, I bet when I like this video, when I subscribe, make sure on our side the way it just be. Hey, let me smart see my shoulder here. See on our side. Maybe I just come sharp. See, see the other side be. This one a cloth will be say I wash is so in the morning of it. So the one with that washing machine once it don't through, you know, I go see Sunday. And I see hobby. Sugar, welcome. Thank you so much. Welcome, sir. So my husband don't come. Make I end this video here. Make a quick cook. You know, say nothing like say man come back. You see food chop very important. Not say man come back. Now you want to arrange to do. So make I face my husband, you understand? So that after eating him, you know, we'll continue enjoyment from there. As son, they will feel later go beach, you understand? Or we do the other things, you know, understand? Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.